Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of chain sprocket kit of Bajaj Avenger 220cc, and you can see its part number and its cost 2198, very costly. And what we are getting at this price, we have to open the box. So what is inside this box? So yes, the chain, you can see this pre-lubricated chain. You can see this chain, okay, so it is well lubricated, okay, chain, and you can see its size is like a heavy chain, okay. I can feel its weight. It's very heavy. I think it's around 1.5 kg weight, okay. Then what we are getting inside this one? So, oh wow, it's not coming outside. Why? So again, yeah, it's came outside. So here inside we are getting the driving sprocket 520 14 teeth, and you can see it's a hardened, looking very strong and wear resistant, okay. And here we are getting the driven sprockets. You can see this is 36 teeth. If you'll count, this is 36 teeth driven sprockets. So we are getting these three parts from Bajaj. So the driven sprocket, driving sprocket, and this chain, and the price is 2198. So here also is written that hub sprocket 36 teeth, engine sprocket 14 teeth, and number of sprocket holes in this driven sprocket 6. So everything is written here. So if you are having Bajaj Avenger, you can use this chain sprocket kit for your motorcycle. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.